I'm Mikela Casey, and I'm going to perform a monologue called Snoring by Talent Incorporated. My mommy snores. She says she doesn't, but she does. She snores so loud, it sounds like a piggy. She tries to blame it on my grandpa, but I know it's her. My grandpa snores like this. And my mommy snores like this.